you make of it?
I thought it was really innovative, something that I've never heard before. I'm really excited to start implementing it within the school. And yeah, I thought it was really good. Yeah.
Would you recommend it to other people?
Oh yeah, I'd recommend it to all the staff and other schools that I come in contact with, definitely.
What struck you as the importance of working with babies like this?
I think it's more sort of teaching our children, about emotional literacy and sort of just rolling out different skills they can learn just by, working with some of the babies that we have coming in.
Sure. And it made you feel?
It made me feel all sorts of things, I think. Very inspired, made me feel sort of ready to put it out to the world, I think, and just very happy.
Thank you so much.